Now we had a couple of stocks in play. Now this means that these are stocks that we initiated trades, but we haven't exited yet. We haven't either moved our stop to breaking even, we haven't broken even on the trade, we haven't exited with a profit or a loss. So we're still in the market with these two stocks. So we invite you to follow along next week and see how they run their course. Our first one was in HCN using strategy number 4. This was a long trade. On the 27th, we went long at 47.49. Okay. Where is price in relation to the buy-sell line? Price is above, so we're only looking for buy setups. This was our buy setup right here. This was our buy setup bar. So if we trade above, we're going to go long. And as you see, we traded above the next day on the opening, so we went long at 47.49. Now, if you've been using stop placement number 1, this is where you would have placed your stop right here at these levels, and you would have been stopped out. But using stop placement number 2, we're still in the trade. So this is why you need to know what type of conditions you are. When we have these kind of like, choppy markets, some people like to use stop placement number 2 because it keeps you in the market a lot longer. You won't get whipsawed out back and forth. So using stop placement number 2, we're still in the trade. And here's our exit level up here at 48.33. We came to the drawing board and calculated our exit level, and that came out to 48.33. So even though we give you the rules and how to calculate this yourself, this is all predetermined and posted each night on our daily signals page. So right now we have an open order to exit at 48.33, and our stop is at stop placement number 2, which is roughly about 45.60. So we're either going to get stopped out with a loss, or we're going to exit with a gain. Now remember, once again, if we happen to see that price is rising and we're getting close to this level here, 70%, we will move our stop up to unchanged. Okay, so this is one you can follow along with next week. Our next trade here is in VTR. Now this was using strategy number 1. This will keep you in the trade probably the longest out of most of our trades. It's designed for swing trading to intermediate or a little bit longer term trading. And we went long on the 30th at 51.61. We posted this the night before. As you can see here, we use the Donjin channels, these 3 channels here moving upward. And price is, for most intents and purposes, it is above the buy-sell line, but we're kind of bouncing above and below, above and below. But the rule states that if you go long, you must go long above the buy-sell line. So as you can see, this is our setup bar. Remember, once again, we explain exactly how to find the setup bar on the video learning section. And you would have entered here at 51.61. Your stop placement is down here around 50.50. And currently, your exit level is at 53.89. Now, we tell you how to calculate this and how to come up with all these stop placements and exit levels, but we also post them for you each night as well. So we currently entered this at 51.61. We're simply waiting. We're either going to get stopped out with a small loss, or we're going to exit at 53.89. That's how simple it is. Trading is really simple and basic. If you're doing it correctly, it's actually very boring. It's very much like fishing. You simply cast your reel out there and you just kind of simply wait. And so what we've done is we've cast it out. We had a little nibble here by getting in, and we have to wait and see if we're going to really catch something or not. So this was our trade in VTR. So we also invite you to watch this next week starting October 4th. All right, so let's recap the 3 trades. As we said, very quiet week. You saw the chart in the S&P. It relates, it relates totally to how we are going to generate buy and sell signals. This is the beauty of our strategies. If the market is doing nothing, we're pretty much going to be doing nothing as well. If the market has a strong trend to the downside, we're going to be looking to go short. If the market has a strong trend to the upside, we're looking to go long. So we're just waiting for the market to tell us what to do. We're not deciding it and trying to pick tops or bottoms. That's why the market had a quiet week. We had a quiet week. We only had 1 long trade and 2 shorts. Out of these 3 trades, we had 1 winner, 1 loser, and 1 break even. So basically, we broke even. We lost 22 cents on the week. Nothing much happened at all. What we always ask with our students, with all of our members, is to learn these strategies. We have each and every strategy. We have multiple strategies for you. Have them all posted, all the rules, where to enter, where to exit, where to place your stop orders, different designs for each and every one to have you in the market longer or shorter time period. But we give you all the rules, plus we post them each night as well. And once you learn these, excuse me, we ask you to paper trade because you're going to learn a lot more by paper trading and then coming to these weekly videos so you can understand exactly how we got in and how we're going to get out. Our edge here is what we're trying to instill in you is consistency. This is what was taught to me on the floor, and I was a specialist on the floor, and what I've been trading with for 33 years. It's about consistency. Consistency allows you to trade for 33 plus years. Most traders are in it for 1 to 3, 4 years and then they get wiped out completely. It didn't matter how well you did in that short time period. If you're wiped out, you're wiped out. You can't come back again. So what we'd rather do is instill in you this sense of consistency, how you can be trading 5, 10, 20 years down the road. And so once you learn that, no one can ever take that away from you. If you have any questions regarding what I went over today or anything on our website, please do not hesitate to email me at stephenprimo@specialisttrading.com. Lastly, in closing, we ask that you take one last look at our disclaimer. I showed you our weekly trades here, but remember, we can in no way guarantee that any of the performance results I showed you will be repeated in the future. So as you're taking one last moment here to view our disclaimer, remember, any questions, anything at all, please do not hesitate to email me. Go to the video learning section and learn all of our strategies. We have numerous strategies to pick and choose from. And any questions, please email me and don't hesitate at all. Have a great weekend. We'll see you here next week. Bye-bye.